In today's video, we're going to be turning this unused hallway into an awesome coffee station. Our first stop was at this home supplier store where we picked up some cabinets and our countertop. Once we got everything up, we headed home. Unfortunately, we picked the best day to do this and it was storming all day. So we did put a tarp on everything and unfortunately one of the cabinets got a little bit wet. The bottom cabinet was about 5 inches too big, so it would stick out and kind of interfere with that walkway. So after we cut off 5 inches, we were good to install it.
Got a lot lighter.
I bet it did.
We kind of know what we're doing, sort of. Perfect.
Wait.
I shouldn't be so surprised that we know what we're doing, but
I know. You kind of like do stuff like this all the time. Well, I mean, not counters and stuff, but...
Alright, so then keep in mind, this is going to be the back. Nobody's ever going to see this. It's going to be against the wall in a corner, so we're not worried about how this part looks. So now I think I'm going to trim down some of those staples at the bottom and then fit it in that little spot, and I should just be able to get my nail gun and sink a few nails here, and we should be good to go.
We have finished taking all the staples out. You have to say that. Come on.
What? Say
it.
We have finished taking all the staples out.
Don't sound so sarcastic.
Alright. That is our cabinet.
Where's the nails that just shot?
Alright, overall, not too bad. So this is what it would look like from the front. We're going to have to cut this a little bit, but we're not sure how much yet. So this is 45 inches, and we need it to be about 44 and a half. So to fit in this corner, we'll have to shave off an inch. So what are you doing?
I'm filming Tucker. Okay. He's our supervisor.
Okay.
Come on, Tuck. Supervisor.
Go in the shed. Are you videoing?
Yeah.
The craziest thing is we were worried to cut this. At least this was like my biggest worry in this project. I was like, I'm a little stressed to cut this thing out. We got this for $10. So it should be okay. Now I gotta make it straighter.
I brought our countertop inside so we could do our first test fit, and at this moment I kind of realized that the trim from the doorway is going to get in the way, so I was going to end up having to cut it down a little bit more.
I mean, it kind of looks great right there.
Yeah, I think it looks really wonderful. Got to use his tool for the first time.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. Never used it before. hopefully we don't have, I'm hoping by using this, we have that little trim piece and we won't have to caulk as much. That's the goal anyways. We'll see if it works. I don't think that's gonna fit.
I don't think so either, but we could try.
Should I take more off? No? Okay.
And it's pouring outside. Perfect day to do a project like this, huh?
Yeah, it is. I mean, it is a rainy day. You can either spend your day inside or completely mess up a countertop. I mean, the choice is yours. Taylor got her paint today. It is midnight blue is going to be the color. First things first, I have to take off the countertop and then cut a spot for the outlet.
It never occurred to me until I was editing this video that I never filmed me installing that top cabinet. It took me and Taylor both, and it was a pain in the butt, so I'm going to spare your time. Are you satisfied with your color choice?
Yes.
You like it?
Yes, I do.
That is hard. It's kind of hard to tell with that bright LED, but it's a midnight blue. It's like kind of a dark gray with a hint of blue in there.
A hint of blue. It's like all blue.
Is it?
It is. Look at it.
I see like a lot of dark gray. It's nice though. I could see the blue you use. I think it's gonna look good against this nice white countertop. Cabinets are back in. About to screw these into the studs there and then throw that countertop on. To mount the countertop, I'm actually going to be using some Loctite construction adhesive, pairing that with some screws with the trim pieces as well as some caulks to fill in the cracks. It's going to be plenty strong enough to hold this thing.
Nice. Then we gotta put some caulking next on the sides. Oh, that's a nice bead. Dang it, it popped. There's a bubble on it.
It did just pop on me.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Woo! I'm kind of impressed with that. Finger. Alright, we are done for today. We made a lot of progress. Every tool we own is out here. But it's done. I put the trim in, we put the caulk, construction adhesive, and the knobs are on. All we have to do left is paint the trim.
This was actually the last thing I did. It took about a week or two for the Amazon package to arrive. I needed something to hide the wires, so I bought these little things off of Amazon. You just drill a hole in the countertop and install them. They're about $7 for a 4-pack. I'll link them below. This entire build cost about $382 all in all. The countertop and the cabinets we did get a little bit cheaper, so prices may vary.
Nice.
There.
It's nice.
No cables.
It reaches.
Yep. And it actually sits flush right on top of it.
Sweet.
Nice. Gotta clean up the tools.